Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a Peru tourist visa, or you can say a tourist visa to Peru. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that you have, you may or may not need a visa. So that's how it works, guys. And when you are checking the requirements, always try to check from the official entity of the country, be it embassy, consulate, or any other official entity that covers your residential region. Because based on your region, there could be additional fee, document steps, etc. Right? So, for example, you are an Indian citizen, you live in New Delhi, or I mean, in India, for to be precise. So, what I have done, I have opened this their official external ministry website, embassy website at New Delhi. They have this link, visa requirements of foreign nationals. So now issuance of tourist visa. If you click on it, you are gonna come this page. So what are the requirements? You first of all, like their country of so requirements are like passport is minimum validity of 6 months. Personal interview, which can be scheduled after presenting the rest of the documentation at the embassy premises. So first you need to submit the application there, then they call you for an interview. Okay. Again, it's up to them. If they want, they can take this off also. Copy of Aadhaar card. Now, that's why I say that you should always check the requirements as per the location. Because in India, Aadhaar card is given. In other countries, it's not, right? Photocopy of front and back side of passport, fine. Two DGC 005 forms filled up, handwritten. We'll go through this. In block letters, must submit valid email ID and phone number registered, of course. Submission of a phone number that does not belong to applicant is not allowed except for children. Yeah. So this requirements where sometimes we give a phone number of our relative or something, but see, if they verify, there could be a trouble. Photograph, three recent colored passport size photograph with white background. And okay, this is cover letter duly signed by the applicant. Okay, cover letter is always a good way to explain why you need a visa. What is your plan? I mean, explain it to them. If employed, the applicant must present a non-objection certificate issued by the employer indicating a date they joined the organization as well as purpose and time of their stay in Peru. Like holiday letter, you can say. Round trip flight itinerary to Peru, day by day detailed activities while in Peru. Wow. Hotel. So this, yeah, hotel reservation in Peru. Proof of financial solvency, bank statement, fixed deposit. Okay. Personal income tax return of Form 16, 1 year if applicable. This is again location specific. In case of sponsored tips, sponsored in Peru or India should present a guarantee letter. Okay. Valid identification document of the sponsor, Peruvian DNI, Aadhaar card. Okay, wow. In addition to the above mentioned document, nationals of Bangladesh and Sri Lanka are required to furnish a police clearance certificate. Not sure why they did not ask. Cost to 550 Indian rupees in cash. So make sure you carry that. And at least 255 stay aside so that you can pay in advance. Like if I'm going to an embassy, I'll try to carry an exact amount for them without any expectation of change, honestly. Instructions for submission. Okay, you can only submit in New Delhi. Okay. Now you can approach between 10 to 12 hours from Monday to Friday, except government holidays. And once you submit the complete application file, they will acknowledge it with an email link to schedule an interview. Fine. Processing time is 7 to 10 days, which are counted after the interview. So you need to apply even more than that. Okay. Non-Indian nationals living in India must have at least 10 additional days. Okay. Once the application is submitted, they have right to ask for additional. That's always there. Submission of complete visa application supporting document. Oh, of course, there's no point in reading this because you know that. Okay, must be used within first 6 months of being issued, otherwise automatically expire. Okay, wow. All tourists and businesses have valid 23 days and grant multiple entries. Wow, that's good. Now, certain exceptions. If you remember at the beginning of the videos, I was telling you that in certain cases it may not be required. That's why. If you have valid US, Canada, UK, Australia, or Schengen visa, you don't need. Okay. All right. No, as long as you have other visa has a validity of 6 months, even if you have not used it yet. Okay, wow. Do I require transit visa to travel to Peru? Okay, fine. Visa on arrival not there. Fine. So we got all the things. Okay. Now the only remaining thing is go through the form. Let's open it. Wow. Now they have this in English too. Okay. So don't lose your patience. This section for internal use, don't do that. Now, which visa you need? Okay. Temporary visa. So you can go for like this one. Okay. Passport number. Okay. Marital status. Single. It's in Spanish too. So be very careful. Surname, middle name, place of birth, nationality. These things should match with your passport. Okay. And make sure you verify everything at least 2 times, not just one. Name, gender, profession, full address in Peru. Okay. That you're going like if you have booked hotels, provide that. Permanent address. Fine. Photo, signature, and fingerprint. Wow. And this is for internal use only. So not to worry about that. So that's it, guys. So I hope you're gonna like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.